Hey guys, so here I got a toy. It's a Ben 10 toy that isn't working. When you pull this tail, the missile inside is supposed to shoot out, but as you can see, even with the mouth open, the tail just moves freely. Before, the tail was super stiff and wasn't moving at all. Now it's moving way too much. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to take this off. Here we are, we got this open now. So I already suspected that this was spring assisted, the way you could feel it. So honestly, I feel like we should get a stronger spring, but I don't think that's the thing that is stopping this from working. So let's take a look here. Okay, so upon further inspection, this part that goes inside this barrel and has a tighter fitting O-ring, these two screws are supposed to go into this and made up like that. But I don't know if you can tell, on those screws is pieces of the plastic from here, so it's stripped this plastic. It's just threaded into the plastic itself. So that. All right, I'm back with power tools. I've got a 3/32 bit on here that should fit the M3 screws. I just have to carefully drill through here without drilling myself. So let's give it a go. I've moved it up to a 7/32 drill bit because the other one wasn't gonna fit. Let's see if that's a better size. Yes, I do think that's gonna be the winner for us. As you can see, it's starting to protrude through. I foolishly put this together wrong. Hey guys, so the battery just out on the camera. I'm getting back at it. I put a little bit of grease on this ring here. I am going to see if that was the problem, as well as I put more grease on that internal drum. Hopefully that helps. We'll see once I get this together. So here we go. Alright guys, so I think it works now. It's still not an ideal toy, so that's probably why it got discontinued. You kind of have to like pump twice, or kind of like get the pump right for it to shoot. But it does work now, so I think that we can call this a success. You may have noticed I have 2 screws here left over. That's not by accident. Remember, we put those 2 M3 screws in as a replacement. So this is ready to go, ready back for some action. Should be able to pull that open, lock the legs, and then shoot. There we go. So thanks for stopping in. Check back next time for what I got going on, and we'll see you then. Bye-bye.